In this video, I'm going to show you how to add chapters or timestamps, or really whatever you like to call them, to your video. And it's pretty simple to do, so let's get started. Okay, so at the time I'm recording this, YouTube has just rolled out automatic chapters to me, and they should be rolled out to everyone very, very soon. But adding chapters yourself seems to be infinitely better than letting the AI do it for you, as overall you just have control over what the audience sees and can make the chapters more appealing than the AI ever could. So if you want to turn off automatic chapters, I have a separate video about that, and if you want to see that, just press the pop-out banner at the top right now to be taken there. But let's get into how to add chapters to your own videos. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to show you how to do this on PC as it's easier for you to see, but you can follow along on mobile as well by just going to the YouTube Studio app and editing the video through there. But to start, you just need to be logged into your YouTube and go to your profile picture at the top right of the screen and press YouTube Studio from the drop down box. And now go to Content on the left navbar. Then you can choose a video to add chapters to, and I'm just going to choose my tutorial of how to get the Grove Street filter on Snapchat. And once it's loaded, what we need to do is go to the description of the video and just type a title like this, and I'm just going to call it timestamps, but you can really call this anything you want. And next, just underneath it, you want to start with 000 and put a space, then write the title for the first chapter of your video that starts at 0 seconds. And because it's at the start of the video, I'm just going to call it intro. And now we need to go down to the next line, and let's say that at 1 minute, I show you how to find the filter. So let's put 1 minute like this, then just put a space again, and let's give it the title, how to find the filter. So at this point, you're getting the basic idea of the layout of how you want to do this, but there are a couple of rules that you need to know for this to actually go ahead and work. And the first being that you need to have at least 3 of these chapters in your videos, these things right here. And the second rule is that they need to be at least 10 seconds apart from each other. So let's add our third and final chapter, and let's just say at 2:10 I start my outro. So let's put 2:10 like this, add a space and title it outro. Now when you finish adding all of this, what you want to do is press save at the top right and it will save your changes. Otherwise, if you don't do this, you'll have to do all of this over again very annoyingly, and you don't want to be doing that. But let's just go to the video now and check. And as you can see, I now have these chapters in my video. So that's how you add chapters or timestamps to your YouTube video. If this video helped you out in any way, please leave a like and consider subscribing to help me on my journey to becoming the biggest digital tutorial channel on YouTube. And if you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down below in the comments and I'm sure I can help you out. See you next time. Bye bye.